Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Join us in the studio today, the ever so wonderful Charlene Patton. It's always great to see you. Welcome back to the show. Hope you had a good trip down here.
Great.
All right, and it's a little bit chilly today, but we've got a great recipe for us.
This is March Bake and Take Month, and the Kansas Soybean Commission is joining forces with the Kansas Wheat Commission because it's their event, and what better way to provide good gifts to bake gifts to people than to combine our good Kansas wheat with our good soybean products. So to get started to make these wonderful banana cupcakes, I have already creamed some sugar and some margarine. Margarine is our soy product. You're going to add to this 1 egg. I'll continue to mix here. Yeah, that's great. And some vanilla for us. And I'm going to mix this together. And while I'm doing that, you have a bowl there with half a cup of mashed bananas and a half a cup of soy sour cream, and you're going to mix that together.
Okay.
And that was really 1 medium banana to get my half cup, or it might be 2 small bananas, but half a cup works good. So when we get that all mixed together and creamed together, I'm going to have you go ahead and add half of the flour.
Okay.
Got you busy today, don't
I?
I?
Yeah. All right. Let's see. So.
Yeah, just add half of the flour there, and you can. It doesn't have to be exact. Yeah, just great. Just add that. This flour mixture also has our leavening in it and a little bit of salt. And by doing alternates, it's just kind of a technique that we use for cakes. That's perfect. Okay. Now add half of that mixture that you've already mixed together. The banana soy sour cream mixture. Go ahead and just put half of that in here.
Okay.
And it doesn't matter if you don't have it quite all mixed because we're on TV, right?
Right. we have a little less time.
That's right. And if you were at home, you would mix it just a little bit more. And now you're going to give me all the rest of the flour.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it goes right into here.
All in there, yeah.
Okay.
Just dump it all in there. Perfect. And then you're going to add the rest of the banana mixture.
Okay.
The bananas and that soy sour cream is going to make this so moist, makes it a wonderful cupcake. And we're also adding to our protein because we know we need 25 grams every day.
Right.
Mix that up, and then I like to portion this out using the dipper. That makes it easy. Use paper lined, or you could grease them, but it makes 12 cupcakes, so it's easy to divide it. But then I want to tell you about these wonderful ways to decorate it. Oh, sliding right off because I balanced there, but I'll show it to you. Is that the frosting is powdered sugar and then soy nut butter. So if you have a peanut allergy, use the soy nut butter.
Okay.
And then margarine and some soy cream cheese. Blend that all together. It makes a wonderful frosting. And then you mentioned about kids enjoying decorating. Take a plastic bag if you don't have a pastry bag and put your frosting into there. Snip just a little bit of corner out of that. Make it sure it's sealed real good. And then let kids just decorate it.
Okay.
And then I put a few of the soy nuts on top just to give us a little salted crunch.
All right, that looks absolutely delicious. So, and these are banana cupcakes here.
They are with the soy nut butter frosting.
All right, excellent. Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, we will have this recipe on our website later at KOAMnewsnow.com and everything else you need to know. And of course, they can call you as well for these recipes.
They can, and we'll send them all 3 recipes. They can go to our website at kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number at 877-KS-SOYBEAN.
All right, Charlene, thank you. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.